Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. For this video, I would like to explain how to create this fluffy look on a garment that you are going to be knitting or crocheting. Okay, so I just wanted to show you. It's one of my top downs bolero shrug I am going to be knitting for a customer. And it's not Angora Rabbit yarn, just to point that out. This is just plain eyelash yarn that I bought from Iplik Outlet, I believe, or Ebru from Ankara, either one, I can't remember. And it's just regular eyelash yarn. You can buy this yarn from Ice Yarn as well, or Yarn Paradise, or at your local yarn shop. These yarn are sold, but what I do is I do this 2-ply. Okay, just to show you. So to do the 2-ply, so I knit with the regular eyelash yarn, like 2-ply like this. So what I do is I grab 2 cakes. I bought these in bulks to get a discount. That's why I have these in cakes. Usually they're in balls or they're in hanks. They're sold, but these are like they're pretty heavy cakes, just to point out. So I am using 2 of this to knit. And what I do is I add a different yarn. So it will not, the shape is very important, because this being eyelash yarn, when you wash it or when you wear it, it will move around the garment that you're knitting. So this tiny thread that I have added will hold that shape of your garment. That will not lose its design that you are knitting. It will be in a nice shape. So I bought this in a cone. I'm not going to give out the name because I was not happy with the seller, but yeah, the products are still in good shape. It arrived wet, so it wasn't packed securely, but yeah, you can buy these anywhere. And it's just a blend of mohair, just mohair. As you can see, it does have a little bit of hair. So this will keep the shape of the garment that you're knitting. That little, you can even add a thread just to protect it. So while you're knitting, what you do is, I'm doing the short rows at the moment. It's top down, and this is going to be a large size. Okay, so I'm just knitting like the 3 strands. I'm holding the 3 strands, and I am just knitting it. And this is off-white. Usually on my Etsy shop I have white, pure white, off-white, ivory, and then I do have other colors that I have added, and I think I need to add more because I bought lots of cones from Iplik Outlet. If you are watching my unboxing. Yeah, so stay tuned. I am going to be doing an unboxing, and that will be coming up next. So I'm going to do my increase, and yeah, so this is how you knit it, back and forth on the wrong side and on the knit side, and then it gives you this nice fluffy Angora Rabbit look. It's not Angora Rabbit, like I said, because the price is way lower than Angora Rabbit. Angora Rabbit, 10 gram of Angora Rabbit is like over 15 Canadian dollars. It's like 10, $11 in the US. 10 gram, yeah. So it's pretty expensive. So therefore, if you want to if you ask me to knit, that's going to cost, yeah, unfortunately. So this is how you knit it with this 3 strand. If you want it fluffier, you can add another strands of the eyelash yarn. I only added 2 because it is pretty fluffy. This will be enough. And The mohair is just to secure it, just to keep the shape of the garment that you will be knitting. Here it is. And then you just knit the desired shape you want. So again, that extra thread, or I added the blend of mohair, it's just to keep the shape of the garment that you're knitting, so it won't lose its shape even when you wash it. And I would highly recommend any handmade items to be washed by hand, not to put it in a washer machine, because these are all delicate. They're made with hand, right? So yeah, so that's all I'm going to say. I just wanted to go over this because I do get lots and lots of questions. And on Etsy, I've been getting questions, so I wanted to post this short information to let you know how you can knit it. Yeah. So this is all to it. And I just wanted to show you the short row. I do have a tutorial on how to knit short rows, so I'm just almost there. Before my increase. So what I do is I just turn my work, because this is eyelash yarn, you won't even see the difference. And when we're picking up stitches, yeah, if you go into I will put the link. I will put at the end of the video, I will add the video, so you just need to click it at the end of the video, how to do short rows if you're interested. So other than that, this is how you knit it. So I hope you like this short information. Tried to gather to let you know. And believe me, this people think that this is a real Angora rabbit, but it is not. It's fake. Yeah. See? It's halo like Angora Rabbit is. Okay, well, happy knitting. Happy crocheting. Take care. You can knit, you can crochet this as well if you want to.